All right, I got to do an update for my 150-hour candles and my, I think it's like 50-hour candles. An astute observer commented and said, "Hey, if you use these Crisco material for candles, won't they go rancid?" And at the time, I didn't, I guess, complete the video, but I use these Fresh Saver, Food Saver. It's just a little vacuum tool, and it's got these little ends that you put on. And all you do, I'll just do a quick demonstration here. You take the lid, you stick it on like that, and then there's two different sizes. So this is the small mouth jar. Line it up like that. And then you stick this on here. I'm trying to do everything myself here. Hold it down. And that actually was working. I just want to make sure I had it centered on here since I'm doing one hand. You know it worked when that... Let me take this off now because I don't think I can do it one hand. Hold on. That's really hard to do, by the way, even with two hands, to take the thing off. But anyways, if you look right here, you'll see that the lid is inverted now. And so that tells you that it's under vacuum. And then you just put the ring on, tighten that up. So all I got to do now is do this 8 more times for each one of these. Now the important thing is to make sure that you clean the top of the jar. Make sure you didn't have any oil on there, and to you know, the threads as well. And you just don't want to have any of this vegetable oil, Crisco, whatever it's made out of, on the outside of the jar, because that might attract some bugs and stuff. But anyways, let's do another one now. So we put that on. Now we got to use the other one like that. Set this up here. Try not to knock it over. Can you hear that noise? It tells me that there was a seal. I'm just going to do a little longer. Okay, listen carefully. Alright, let me pause it so I can take this off. And you can see that this one's, there's no dimple on top. I'll show you what it looks like beforehand. You see how that has a bump on the top? The dimple is flat on here. This one you can actually see it's inverted, so I may try to put that down a little bit longer. Let's try that. Pause it. I guess not all the lids actually go to an inverted state, because that one's fully sucked down. There's no issue. So anyways, you just got to repeat this over and over again, and that should make that fresh for a very long time. Actually fresher than, if you can imagine, in the cans. The cans themselves aren't really cans, they're cardboard on the sides or plastic. So, you know, being in glass, this should last a really long time. And you also want to keep this in a cool location, so like down in the basement is perfect. But you know, each one of these larger ones are 150 hours, so you can see that it'll last a long time. And I've got enough of the I've got the off-brand Crisco version, but I can make a bunch more of these, so I plan to complete that someday. All right, well anyways, I just wanted to do an update and show you this. This is probably a preferred way to go ahead and preserve your 150-hour candles using these 28-ounce ball jars. These are special. I actually got larger jars so that I could see how long it would last, and it lasts a long time. All right, hey, have a great day. I hope everyone's treating you well, and I hope you're doing well, and God bless.